Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the 30th Selenium WebDriver tutorial. Again, my name is Abhilash, and in this tutorial we will be working with taking screenshots in Selenium WebDriver. So we will see how we can take screenshot of a particular web page using Selenium WebDriver. So let's get started with this tutorial. So basically we are going to create a new class again in this particular package. So right click the package, new, and then the class, and then let's name it as screenshot test, and click on finish, and let's quickly paste the initialization code from one of the previous codes. So let's say this code. As you know guys that we have to set the property and initialize the driver as required based on the browser that we are working with, and I have already set the implicit wait of 10 seconds, and over here I am getting the page URL. So basically this will just open the URL for you guys in the Mozilla Firefox browser in this case. So let's quickly execute it and see what exactly we will be taking the screenshot of. So what we are going to do is of this particular home page, after this URL is if after the browser redirects to this particular URL, so what we are going to do is we are going to take the screenshot of this particular web page, that is the list of the links that we have on the home page. So basically in order to take the screenshot we have something called as the function or the method that we are going to use will return the type as the file. So what we are going to do is we are going to mention object of class type file. So again, if you press the combination of control and space characters on keyboard, you'll get the list of classes that you can use. So basically we are going to make use of this file under java.io, and let's name the object as file equals. Now we are going to make use of this driver, but then there's a slight modification in how we are going to use it. So we are supposed to enclose it within the open and close brackets, and inside this we have an interface called as take screenshot. So if you see, we have something called as takes screenshot. Again, if you press the combination of control and space, you'll get the suggestion of the interface or the classes that we can use. So basically we are going to make use of this takes screenshot inside the brackets, and then we have something called as driver, and then these are closed within a bracket. So all together we are going to use the combination of takes screenshot and driver, and then we have a method called as dot get screenshot as. So basically this is the method that we are going to use, which takes the input parameter as the type actually, that is of what type we want to save the screenshot in. So basically since we are going to save a screenshot in the type as a file, so what we are going to do is we have an interface called as output type, as you can see, which belongs to the org.openqa.selenium output type, and remove that template, and output type dot we have something called as file. So basically what this is going to do is it will take the screenshot, that is get screenshot as, of the particular driver instance of the page that it is pointing to right now. So basically this is the home page that the driver is pointing to right now, and we'll get the screenshot of that particular web page, and store it as a file, and using this object we have stored in this particular object, which is of class file. So till now what exactly is happening is it is just taking the screenshot and storing it in the object of this particular class, that is file, and it is just within our program, that is this Java program. So in order to save it on our local machine, we have another method that we can use under file utils. So basically if you type this file utils, and as you can see we have the file utils in file utils class in different packages. So we are going to make use of this org.apache.commons.io package and the class that is present in that particular package, and we have a method called as copy file. So this will take the file that is a source file, which is going to be our file in which we have saved the screenshot, and then the destination file, that is it will take where exactly the path of the folder where exactly we want to save the file, and then the name of the file. So basically let's quickly provide these parameters. So this is the file where you have actually stored the screenshot, and for now I have created a folder called as screenshots in one of my local directories. So I'm just going to copy this path, and in the second parameter you are supposed to create a new file and provide the required string where exactly you want to save the file, that is this entire path, and in the end you are supposed to provide the name that you want to give to this particular image, that is a screenshot. So let's name it as test.png. So this is the way we can actually save our file from the file object to a particular local directory. Now as you can see we have something called as add throws declaration over here. So let's quickly do this. If you hover over this and if you just click on that particular error, you can see you have something called as add throws declaration or surround with try catch. So this is nothing but it's a type of exception that might occur while saving the file on the local directory. So you just have to throw the exception, and let's save and quickly execute it. So what basically this is going to do is it will open the home page in the Firefox browser and save this particular image that is taken and saved in the file object, and it will successfully store in the screenshot. So as you can see we have a screenshot that is stored. So this is a screenshot that is of the home page that was taken from the Firefox browser and saved on one of the local directory path. So basically that's a way we can make use of the screenshot method, and since I'm running out of time I will have to continue in the next tutorial. So catch you guys in the next tutorial. Have a nice one.